When your Bosch tankless water heater fails to ignite, systematic diagnosis can help identify the root cause. We'll walk through the essential checks to get your unit running again. Start with the fundamentals. Ensure your gas valve is fully open. It should turn counterclockwise until it stops. Verify your gas bill is current, as service interruptions are more common than you might think. Confirm you're using the correct gas type. Natural gas and propane require different settings, and using the wrong type will prevent proper ignition. Gas pressure issues are common culprits. Your unit needs adequate pressure to ignite properly, typically 3 to 6 inches of water column. Low pressure will cause ignition failure. If gas lines were recently serviced, air may be trapped in the system. Cycle your hot water tap several times to purge this air, or have a gas technician bleed the line professionally. Electrical issues can prevent ignition. Verify the unit is properly plugged in and check that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. These simple checks solve many problems. For voltage verification at the terminal block, contact a licensed electrician. Inadequate voltage will prevent proper operation and requires professional diagnosis. Error codes are your diagnostic roadmap. The EA error indicates no flame ionization was detected, while A2 signals a fault in the flue gas limiter system. Always check your unit's display panel for error codes. These codes provide specific guidance and can save significant troubleshooting time by pointing directly to the problem area. Water flow is critical for ignition. Your tankless heater requires minimum flow rate to activate the burner. Insufficient flow will prevent the unit from firing, even when all other systems are functioning properly. Check for plumbing obstructions and verify adequate water pressure throughout your system. Low pressure or restrictions can prevent the flow sensor from detecting sufficient demand to trigger ignition. These diagnostic steps cover the most common ignition problems. Systematic checking of gas supply, electrical connections, error codes, and water flow will identify most issues, preventing your Bosch tankless water heater from igniting properly. Begin detailed troubleshooting by inspecting electrical components. Check sensors, wiring, and fuses for any signs of damage or corrosion. Clean or replace the air filter regularly. A dirty filter restricts airflow and can prevent proper combustion, leading to ignition failures. Inspect and clean the burner assembly thoroughly. Remove any debris, dust, or condensation that could interfere with proper ignition. Address mineral buildup by flushing the system regularly. Sediment accumulation can block water flow and prevent proper ignition. Descale the heat exchanger to maintain efficiency. Ensure the venting system is clear of obstructions. Proper venting is essential for safe combustion and preventing ignition problems. Establish a regular maintenance schedule. Bosch recommends professional inspections every 2 years, with monthly filter checks and annual system flushing. Know when to call qualified professionals. Contact experts if error codes persist, you detect gas leaks, notice strange odors, or encounter complex electrical issues.